Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cooking Academy. Now, in this video, I am going to discuss the questions of atomic structure. Okay, atomic structure for class 7 ICSE. Okay, and in last video, one video was uploaded. I have discussed the up to short questions up to fill the blanks. Now today I will discuss from the multiple choice questions. Okay, and the link of that video will be given in the description box. You can see. Okay, so here C1, one question is given here that a molecule is the smallest part of an element that exhibits the properties of that element. Okay, so this statement is correct or wrong. See, a molecule is the smallest part of an element that exhibits the properties of the element. So what will be the answer? A molecule is the smallest part of an element. It is not the smallest part of an element. Okay, atoms are the smallest part of the element and that exhibits the properties of the element. So it will be atom. Okay, it will be atom. It is not the molecule. So a molecule is given here. So the question is contradictory. If it is, it should be an atom is the smallest part of an element that exhibits the properties of an element. It is false. It is false. Next, and at the center of an atom, at the center of an atom, okay, comma, protons and neutrons form a teeny central core called an electron. So this statement is wrong because it will be nucleus. It is false. It will be nucleus. Okay, it will be nucleus. Understood? So it will be nucleus because at the center of the nucleus, that portion is called, where proton is there, it is called the nucleus. Okay, so it will not be electron, it will be nucleus. So number 3, number C you see, that means number 3, a proton, okay, is positive. It is too hot out there, that's why. Positively charged. A proton is positively charged particle. Yes, it is definitely correct. It is true. A proton is positively charged particle. We know. Number 4. All atoms of an element are similar or identical. This is also correct. This is also true. Now number 5. When an atom loses or gains electrons, it becomes a charged, is definitely charged particle called ion. Yes, it is correct. It's called ion. It is true. Very much true. It is that a proton is positive. When an atom loses or gains electron, it becomes a charged particle called ion. It is very correct, because we know ions are the charged particle. Ions are two types, cations and anions. Okay, now see, we have a matching, that means we have to match the columns. Okay, just I write the answer here, match the following. Okay, neutron is given here, so neutral will be matched. Okay, neutron will match as electrically neutral, electrically neutral, because it is electrically neutral, it is given here option. Okay, now see, let me see the book. The book is the chemistry according to the ICSE curriculum, this book. Okay, Ratna Sagar, this is the book, and I am solving the question of this one. Okay, ICSE 7. Now next is negatively charged ion. Negatively charged ion will be anion. It is given here. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is positively charged ion. Okay, positively charged ion. It is the cation. Okay, number 4, central core of an atom. It should be nucleus. It should be nucleus. Number 5, neon is noble gas. Okay, neon is noble gas. It present in group number 18 in the modern log for period table. Okay, it present in the group number 18. Next, valency. Valency is the number of unpaired electron. Okay, here it is given. Whole number. Okay, whole number will be the answer. Other options are not there, so whole number. Okay, so we have done up to D. We have done up to D. Okay, so regarding we will discuss all the, that means E number, question number E, A, G, all the questions answers we have discussed. We will discuss actually from next videos. And so we have completed actually 3 chapters. Okay, again the revision will be there. Okay, so thank you for today's video. So if you like this video, then do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.